Welcome to 4308 Alden Circle in Mobile, Alabama. This Gold Fortified home features 4 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's over 1,600 square feet and move-in ready. This home is brick on all 4 sides. It's on a level lot with a sodded yard. This home is in the Hutchins-Dawes Elementary School District, the Causey Middle School District, and the Baker High School District. This home features granite countertops in the kitchen, as well as stainless steel appliances. The primary bath features dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a freestanding walk-in shower. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can give you a free market analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, my social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.